Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M12. So let's get started. On the front you can see the image of the phone with the name. And at the back, specifications like battery, camera and display are mentioned. So let's open the box. First, you can see this hidden lid with the SIM ejector tool placed at the back. And inside the lid we have documentations like quick start guide, regional lock guide and warranty card. Here we have this stunning Samsung Galaxy M12. At the back we have a 48 megapixel quad camera setup and Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks very stylish in this matte finish. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and a 2-pin wall charger with 15 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M12 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.